I am Dr. Kurt Wohler. Let me talk about mitochondria, what mitochondria are, and how mitochondrial problems in autism can be such a difficult issue. So mitochondria are these what are called organelles, these little organ systems in our cells that produce energy and produce an energy chemical called ATP. We all have them, and we're heavily dependent on them to run the machinery of our body, including the brain and nervous system, our immune system, our endocrine system, our digestive system. We don't get by unless we have enough ATP. And so mitochondrial function is very important for all of our health, and it's certainly important for a developing child. Mitochondria are dependent on the nutrients we get from our food. So certain vitamins and minerals play a role in maintaining mitochondrial activity and health. And what should happen when the mitochondria get worn out is the body replaces them. Oxidative stress, environmental toxins, as well as internal toxins in the body, whether that's coming from the digestive system like yeast and bacterial issues, environmental exposures from chemicals or heavy metals, mold exposures, for example, nutritional deficiencies, or a combination of those factors can negatively affect mitochondrial activity. And oftentimes what comes about when children have a mitochondrial dysfunction is they have poor language, they have poor eye contact, they have poor comprehension. They oftentimes can have poor sleep. They can have poor coordination, whether that's gross motor skills or fine motor skills. Severe mitochondrial diseases often manifest as severe illnesses. There's a large percentage of autistic kids don't have mitochondrial disease, but a lot of them have what's called mitochondrial dysfunction, which typically means that their mitochondria would typically function fine if some of these other variables weren't affecting them. And that's one of the reasons, by the way, why you do comprehensive testing. So that's what mitochondria are, and that's why they're important, and it's a really critical area to analyze in autism, is analyzing the function of mitochondria and then things that could be negatively impacting mitochondria. So in another video, I'll explain what are some of the tests that can be done to analyze for mitochondrial activity as well as mitochondrial dysfunction. Thank you.